Ease of booking on Klook. The museum has been open for 3 weeks. A lot of interactive science activities for the kids with a blow-up playground playhouse at the end. Although, some of the exhibits are unfinished, such as the Galileo and Astronomers Laboratory. Hopefully more families and students visit so it'll be improved and inspire more Filipinos to study science and technology. It took 3.5 hours to go through all exhibits and read through the information on the museum walls whilst taking photos. They sell snacks at the entrance and drinks and souvenirs at the exit. Do go to the bathroom prior, as there's none inside the exhibit. A definite place to see. Worth the price. My kids enjoyed their trip here in MindSpark. Very educational and offers hands-on experiences to every visitor. Thank you, Klook. We enjoyed our visit at the MindSpark Museum. The exhibits are interactive, engaging, and perfect for both kids and adults. The place was huge and we spent around 2.5 hours in there. Value for money since there's so many attractions. Also, the gift shop is not overpriced. Great experience, can recommend. Some of the activities are good. Some are repetitive. Some are broken. Some stations don't have guides or people to help.